Hello, students. Welcome to the part third of your lesson Robinson Crusoe. Previously, we have already learned the two parts. Okay, so this is part 3. In this part, we will learn paragraph 3 as well as we will learn some new vocabularies. So, let's go. So, students, as you can see, this is paragraph number 3. Let's read. I stayed a long time thinking but became more and more confused. At last, I returned home very frightened, looking behind me after every 2 or 3 steps, mistaking every bush and tree to be a man. When I came to my cave, which I called my castle, I ran inside it as if I was being chased. I do not remember whether I used the ladder or went it by the hole in the rock, which I called the door. I ran for cover faster than any animal could run. So, now we are going to translate paragraph 3. अनुवाद. मैं काफ़ी देर तक खड़ा सोचता रहा. कौन? रॉबिन्सन क्रूजो. किंतु इससे मेरी उलझन और अधिक बढ़ती गई. रॉबिन्सन क्रूजो कह रहे हैं कि मैं काफ़ी देर तक खड़ा होकर सोचता रहा, लेकिन मैं जितना सोचता गया मेरी उलझन उतनी अधिक बढ़ती गई. अंत में मैं भयभीत होकर घर लौट आया. मैं हर 2-3 कदमों के बाद पीछे मुड़कर देखता था और प्रत्येक झाड़ी और पेड़ को गलती से आदमी समझ बैठता था. जब मैं अपनी गुफा, जिसे मैं अपना दुर्ग या महल कहता था, के पास आया, मैं उसके अंदर ऐसे दौड़ गया जैसे कोई मेरा पीछा कर रहा हो. मुझे यह भी याद नहीं कि मैंने सीढ़ी का प्रयोग किया था या चट्टान के छेद के रास्ते, जिसे मैं दरवाज़ा कहता था, अंदर गया था. सुरक्षा के लिए मैं इतना तेज भागा जितना एक जानवर भी नहीं भाग सकता. So students, we have read and translated the paragraph 3. Now let's see some new words which were present on this paragraph. So the first word on your screen is confuse. Confuse. C-O-N-F-U-S-E. Confuse. So the meaning of confuse is make something more complex or less easy to understand. So what is the meaning of confuse? Meaning of confuse is make something more complex or less easy to understand. Let's see some similar word of confuse. So the synonym or the similar words of confuse are baffle, confounded, muddle, perplex. So what are the synonyms of confuse? Baffle, confounded, muddle, perplex. Okay. Now what we call confuse in Hindi? भ्रमित करना, भ्रमित. Okay, now let's move in the next word. Fright. So students, the second word is fright. F-R-I-G-H-T. Fright. Meaning of fright is a sudden, intense feeling of fear. As you can see here on the images. See, little girl child and that person, both are scared, right? So, the meaning of fright is a sudden, intense feeling of fear. The meaning of fright in Hindi is bhay ya dar. Let's see some synonyms of word fright. So these are fear, fright, jitters, eeriness, fearfulness. Here fright word is repeated. Fear, jitters, eeriness, fearfulness. These words are synonym of the word fright. Now let's move to the next word. So students, the third word of this paragraph is castle. Castle. C-A-S-T-L-E. Castle. The meaning of castle is a large fortified building or set of buildings. The meaning of castle is a large fortified building or set of buildings. As you can see in the images. So the meaning of castle is a large fortified building or set of building or fort or citadel. These are synonym of word castle. In Hindi, Durg and Mahal are known as castle. So castle को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? दुर्ग और महल. Now let's move to the another word. So the another new word is chase. C-H-A-S-E. Chase. The meaning of chase is pursue in order to catch or catch up with, or to follow rapidly, or pursue, run after, as you can see on both of the images. Okay? So chase को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? So meaning of chase in Hindi is पीछा या अनुसरण.